Welcome to a brand new video Fire Up, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so the first tip I have here is to improve both from your mistakes and your successes. So let's just say one of your videos got 5 views. That doesn't mean you just never post that type of content anymore. It just means that you maybe try something else different, or you try it again, but you have to know when to stop. You have to know when those results is not just a one-time thing, but it's like a pattern that you're noticing. If one of your videos do really good, you might want to try that again, and if it keeps getting views, if you're also willing to post those videos, you might want to change up your content a little bit. If you don't learn from these successes and these mistakes, you might never see real success on YouTube. But it's not just with the type of videos you have. Let's just say a type of thumbnail does better, or a type of title does better, or it could be any type of thing. But whatever it is, pay attention if you get views. Is it because of the thumbnail? Is it because of the title? Is it because of the type of content? And then just try one of them for the next video. And then does it do good? It could just be random too. It couldn't have been any of them. It could just been like a random thing you just got lucky that got more views. But you gotta pay attention to that. The second tip I have here is choosing your niche. Now, some of you might have heard this before, some of you might have not. But those of you who heard this before, remember this is a very useful thing, and you might need to change it like midway through YouTube. You might even have 1,000 subscribers and you realize, wait a minute. Even in my big group of niches, my small group that I'm doing is not getting enough views, and I can easily transition. You might want to consider doing that because that will help you in the long run. Also, if this is one of the first times that you're watching tips on how to grow on YouTube, a niche is like a topic that your channel is about. Don't niche down too much, which will mean let's just say you do only videos on YouTube thumbnails or YouTube titles. That's too less, and there's very less people just looking for exactly that type of content. But if your niche is how to grow on YouTube, that's a pretty comfortable niche. And if your niche is how to grow on all social media platforms, again, that's a huge niche, and it might be hard to cover. A lot of people might come to your channel for Instagram growth or TikTok growth, and then they see YouTube growth videos, and then they decide to not watch your videos, or they decide to unsubscribe. The third tip I have for you guys here is consistency. Now, consistency is key because your viewers have to be able to expect a video from you. I don't know, it could be every week, it could be twice every week. But let's just say you post every day and you have a month gap. They'll really think something's gone, you just stop posting. And a lot of people either unsubscribe or just forget about you. So you gotta maintain that consistency. And not just that, if you're posting good content and one day you just can't post content, don't just post bad content. You can still post good content, just wait a little bit. Just don't wait too long. And if you are able to notify your subscribers, just let them know. This one's not really a do, it's more of a don't. Don't do sub for sub. Now, I used to do sub for sub, my brother used to do sub for sub, you used to do sub for sub together, and it helped the channel in the very short run. After that, those viewers never really sticked, and then it gave the indication to YouTube that they didn't really like our content and didn't promote it to more people. And that was really a huge block. For a long time, we were really regretting what we did, and it took a long time for YouTube to realize that we're not doing that anymore. So I suggest to you guys not to do sub for sub. This is a huge mistake that smaller YouTubers do. Now, I get it. I get why you want to do that. You've seen your growth. But don't do sub for sub. Or any type of thing. It could be sub pals. It can be anything. As long as it's not bots, YouTube won't ban you. You can still do it. Technically, you can buy other people to subscribe to you. But they're not real subscribers. In the end, they won't stick to your channel. And that can hurt your channel long term.